Hello student, how are you all? Fine? In our last class, what we have seen? We have seen how we can create circle and how we can create different kinds of symbol, let's say square, rectangle using repeat command. And also we have created one pattern using circle. In this class, we will learn how we can create a different pattern using mm, repeat command mostly, and not only that, sometimes we need to, maximum times we need to use nested repeat command as well. So using repeat and nested repeat command, we will learn how we can create different types of pattern. Let's see how we can do it. I will show you and then you also try it at home. Creating design and patterns, chapter 4, part 2. In our last chapter, we have seen how we can create patterns. In this chapter also, we will learn how we will create more complex pattern. Complex pattern means if you can see this pattern, you can see actually there is a triangle over here, and all together 12 triangle made this picture. So that means it's a little bit tougher than the previous one. But here also we are using nested repeat. We have already done nested repeat command. Nested repeat commands are repeat within repeat. See, for drawing a triangle, what we do? To draw a triangle, if we do FD 100 RT 123 times, a triangle will be drawn. Now, what we can do it, this instead of writing 3 times, we can use repeat command. So repeat 3, FD 100 RT 20. It is creating one triangle. After creating one triangle, what you are doing? RT 30 means your turtle is turning to the 30 degree. And then again one more time the circle is creating and again turtle is turning. How many times it is going on? It will go on 12 times because we have used 12. We have used repeat command. So the same pattern will be repeating for 12 times. So the same commands will be repeating 12 times. Look at this. Now, if you analyze this picture, can you all tell me what is the base picture? Means there is a shape which actually is turning. Please look at here nicely. So this one is actually nothing but the rectangle. We know the commands of rectangle. If you use repeat to FD 100 RT 90, every 200 RT 90, then one rectangle is happening. So along with one rectangle, we are turning our turtle 30 degrees. So if we do it for 12 times, so that is repeat 12, what will happen? This symbol will create. Now for this pattern, what I need? This is nothing but the line. This is also 3 times. This is not creating circle, but this will create one angle. Now, this also we are repeating. Repeat 12, repeat 3, FD 100 RT 90. Remember that repeat whenever it is entering here, what is happening? Repeat 3, FD 100 RT 90. That means first it will executing FD 100, RT 90. How many times? 3 times. Once this 3 times is done, RT 30, then turtle will turn 30. After RT 30, again it will come back, repeat 3, FD 100, RT 90. So again it will draw FD 100, RT 90. How many times? For 3 times. So this process will goes on how many times? 12 times. And if you do, now look at this symbol. FD 100, repeat 5, FD 50, RT 44. See, this stand do not, it is not repeated at all. So, but here these lines are repeating and creating the symbol. So for this I don't need repeat command. But for this symbol I need repeat. So for draw this straight line, what we used to do? FD 100, repeated FD 100. Then for drawing these stars, what we were doing? Repeat 5, FD 50, RT 144. This FD 50 and RT 44, if it works for 5 times, 1 star will be created along with this handle. Now, in our last symbol, what we did? We have created this one, and here this star with handle. First we have created 1, and now the same 15 times it is repeated. So what we have to do? This is the same command, FD 100, repeat 5, FD 50, RT 44. This will be the same one. Then why I am doing this BK 100? Because see, if I am here, if I am going up and drawing the star, my turtle will be up somewhere here. But I need to draw my next turtle from, I need to draw my next line from here. So turtle needs to come back. Because of that, we have used 100. Now, if you draw in the same place, what will happen? All will be together. So I need to turn little bit in my turtle. So for turning, we have used RT 24. So what you have learned today? You have learned about pattern, how we can create different pattern, and you have learned how to analyze those patterns. First, whenever you see any pattern, what you have to do? You have to see what kind of symbol hidden is there. What is the base symbol of that? Usually, every patterns are what? Every patterns are made by some symbol. So you need to identify those symbols, and then first you need to think for the primitives, what you will write for those symbols. And then you need to identify how many times the symbols will goes on. That's it. Okay, hope you like it and try it at home.